Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the polar prince. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. And then another one inside at the top. And then color the bottom section in black. Next, from the sides, let's draw a curve out and then bring it back up in the center. And the same on the other side. And then draw 3 small black dots on both sides. Now to continue drawing the rest of the face, let's zoom in. Let's draw a curve out on both sides for the top of the mouth. And then curve it down and in, and the same on the other side. Now let's hop inside the mouth and let's draw 2 curves down. And color the outside sections in black. Now let's hop inside and let's add the teeth. In the center, let's draw a V shape. And then another one on both sides to form a zigzag line. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with 2 wavy lines down and out. And then a curve underneath. And then add a black oval inside each eye. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. We'll start with 2 curves on top. And then a curve out and back in on both sides for the ears. Now inside the ears, let's draw a curve up and close it off at the bottom. Now underneath on both sides, let's curve it out and bring it in. Next, let's hop on top of the head and let's draw 2 lines up for the crown. Then let's angle it back in. And a V-shaped point up in the center. Now on both sides, let's add another point up like this. And then inside the crown, let's draw an oval at the bottom. And that's it for the crown. Next, let's hop down in the center and let's draw a circle. And then curve it up and back in on both sides. Then underneath, let's draw a curve down and then bring it back into the center. And now on both sides, let's draw 3 black ovals. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. From the sides, let's bring it out and curve it down. Then let's hop in and let's draw another angle out and in. and the same on the right side. And then inside on the chest, let's draw 3 bumps going down. Now at the bottom, let's hop to the center and let's draw a large rectangle for the belt buckle. And the same shape inside. Now on both sides, let's draw a curve out, bring it down, and 2 more curves out at the bottom. And that's it for the belt. Now let's move underneath and let's start drawing the legs. Let's draw a curve down on both sides. Then let's angle it out and back in. Now top to the center and let's draw a curve across. And then 2 angles down underneath. Now at the bottom, let's add the feet. From the inside, let's draw a curve down and bring it out. Then let's hop out and let's draw a small curve out and down, a larger one underneath, and then 1 more larger one, bringing it all the way back in. And that's it for the feet. Now let's hop back up and let's draw the arms. Next to the chest, let's draw another small angle out. And then curve it down underneath both sides. Now for the hands, let's draw a curve down from the inside. Curve it out. And then a U-shaped curve up and back down. And now top back up and let's draw another curve down. And then close off the finger at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside the curve and let's draw a curve down and over. And then let's add a nail at the end of each finger with the curved V-shape. And then let's color all of the nails in black. And that's it for the polar prints. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!